Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Kumar. Today I am here to explain you about the web application which I have developed as a part of hackathon conducted by Rictum Technologies. The main aim of the project is to develop a web application to report a civic problem like potholes, garbage in our surroundings. Anyone can create an account on the portal and can post their issues and with the basic information like images, location, date and time. Other users can see a list of issues and details of each issue and can upvote on the issue. For front-end web application, I have used HTML, CSS, jQuery, Bootstrap, and for the backend web application, I have used Django, and for databases, PostgreSQL. Now I will explain how the web application works. To open the web application, first we have to start the server by issuing the command python manage.py run server. The server has started. Let's open the web application. In this application, we have three pages: login page, registration page, and the main page. A new user have to create account on the application by using the registration page. Now we will create a user with username user1 and mail user@gmail.com. With this, a new user has created on the web application. We can see the details of the new user on the databases. Here is the details of the new user which we have created just now. Now login into the application using new user details. This is the main page of our application. Here we have two buttons: add post, add issue, and a logout button. Using add post, we can post our issues on the application. We can also add images to our application using this holes. On submitting, we can see our issue on the main page. Here is the issue. I think there is an issue regarding the fetching of image from the databases. So it is showing like this. Okay, let's add another issue. Here is the second issue which we have added. Now let's get log out from the application and create a new user account from where we can access all the issues added by the user 1. Now let's create a new user account. New user account is created successfully. Now let's log in using this new user account. Now we have login using the user 2 details, and these are the issues that was added by user 1. Further we can add another issue using user 2 details. Here is the issue that is added from the user 2 account. I have completed this project partially due to lack of time. The features further we can add are upvoting an issue, edit or delete post, and comments about the issue. We can see the details of the issues on the databases from here. Here are the issues that was added by us by user 1 and user 2 accounts. That's all about the project. Thank you.